Today I'm going to show you how to roast a whole chicken with a selection of vegetables too. So I've got my whole chicken over here. It is 1.4 kilos, so I'm going to cook this for 1.5 to 2 hours. We'll kind of see how it's crisping up. I am going to cook along with it potatoes, some onion and carrots too, and I'm just going to show you step by step how to do it, and leave a link in the description down below to a blog post where I'll go through all of the instructions too. But we're going to get started. I like popping all my veggies in the dish. I've got a big roasting dish over here which I'll be using, so we put everything together really quickly, and I've got the oven preheating behind me to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and we'll get everything prepped. So on the base of my dish I've got a little round of carrot and onion, which will kind of act like a platform for my chicken. So I'm going to get my chicken on top of there, and then we'll fill in all the blanks around the side with chopped potatoes. Okay, I've popped the chicken on top. Now what I like to do is pop it breast, leg side up first. I'm just going to salt it. I've got you on a tripod here. I'm just going to salt that side, and then we'll just flip it over to the other side. My husband's helped me so I don't have to get everything full of raw, my hands full of raw chicken, and I've salted the other side. Okay, so we want it to cook wing side up first and then breast side up second, because then all the lovely juices will just be beautiful in the breast side at the end. So what I'm going to do now is just fill in all the blanks, cover all around with potato, and then it goes into the oven. So I've got potatoes all around the chicken. I've added salt. You could add a bit of butter or oil as well to help it along. I usually just drizzle over a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and then it'll go into the oven. I tend to do it 45 minutes each side, and then I just have a look and see if it's crisp enough. Otherwise I just keep going and keep on watching it, doing it 20 minutes a time until it's kind of ready. So I'm going to pop it in the oven for 45 minutes and then we'll show you how it looks. The chicken's been in the oven for 45 minutes. It's getting nice and golden, and the potatoes are starting to crisp up too. I'm just going to turn the chicken over. So I've turned the chicken over. I've given all the potatoes a bit of a toss, and now I'm just going to drizzle over a little bit more olive oil. My bottle is almost finished, so just drizzle it around. A bit more salt, shake it all around the place, and go back into the oven for another 45 minutes, and it should be pretty much done then. And that final 45 minutes was perfect. Look how beautiful and crisp the chicken and all the potatoes and vegetables are. This is such a yum meal. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.